Today, we are going to install the new DRT front aluminum inner CV boot guards for Polaris 2022 plus RZR Pro R, Turbo R, and Pro S. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Install passenger side CV boot guard. We can begin by aligning the passenger side CV boot guard with the upper and lower control arm bolts. With the guard in place, you can begin attaching it with the provided M6 hardware that will thread into the factory hole. To secure the hardware, you will need an impact driver and a 4mm hex bit. With that secured, you can move on to installing the remaining hardware. Start by threading the M8 bolts through the guard and the vehicle's frame. You may find it easier to run the bolt through using an impact driver. Then install the supplied washer and nut on the back side. Once both are in place and the washer and nut are hand-threaded, tighten them using an impact driver with a 5mm hex bit and a 13mm box end wrench. You can repeat the same steps for the top bolt. Step 2. Install driver side CV boot guard. Begin by aligning the guard on the vehicle. Install the lower M6 bolt and secure it using an impact driver with a 4mm hex bit. With that in place, install the center bolt. Add the supplied washer and nut to the backside, then tighten using an impact driver with a 5mm hex bit and a 13mm box end wrench. For the top mounting point, drill out the hole using a 5/16 drill bit. This should create a snug fit for the hardware. You may find it helpful to use an impact driver to run the bolt through the guard and frame. Once inserted, install the washer and nut on the backside and secure everything using a 5mm hex bit and a 13mm box end wrench. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.